How to fix microphone not working in Google Meet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you several ways to fix your microphone in your Google Meet. So let's dive right in. Open up a Google Meet first, and then first things first, go to the uh, microphone icon in the top. Just tap on it and make sure you have given the permission to Google Meet to use your microphone. Make sure that it is toggled on. Sometimes when it is off, then you can't use microphone and you'll get the exclamation mark. So make sure that it is turned on. And then finally, go to the arrow to change the audio settings. So go to the gear icon and then make sure the correct microphone is set. You can change it to system default, and then you also need to check if there is your microphone working in the Windows itself. So for that, go to the microphone icon in your taskbar, tap on it, and your settings will open up. And you'll be redirected to your microphone settings. So make sure that microphone access is toggled on. So that's it. I hope one of the solution helps you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.